And I get my steps wrong and
Oh, you guys are into dancing?
Yeah, we are.
Are you as well?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
We just figure out.
Move those hips, brother. Move those
something we
hips,
have in
brother.
common, the dancing.
I'm a terrible dancer.
Oh, really?
Really terrible dancer.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, perfect.
I can't
So we do have
imagine
common ground. We're
anything
both-
worse.
That is my idea of absolute hell.
Oh my God. Kindred spirits.
Now, it's because you got the excuse of the finger that you're not doing anything?
I did this.
Okay. So what is your extra ingredient?
Red pepper. I did, see?
Very
I chopped
nice.
stuff.
And when you put the pepper, did you fry it?
Yes,
With the onion.
With the onion.
Okay. Just because they look a bit that they could have done.
We were going for al dente.
You know the difference between al dente and raw? Come here. Everybody come here. Everybody's pasta was excellent. As a first day of school, well done. Round of applause to everybody. Now what I want you to do, go to your accommodation, do whatever you want. Remember, there is no rules in my cooking school. All right? Enjoy and goodbye. No, wait a second. Chloe, Kevin, Kia, come back here. I want to talk with my first students.
Okay.
Hello.
Group hug.
Okay. It's important tonight to find out more about these people. Okay? They are lovely, lovely students. So just go for it.
Okay.
All right? Just look, so far it hasn't happened for you. That's the reason why you're here. You are in Italy. There is no boundary here. Have a drink, relax.
Piano, piano.
Piano, piano. Yeah, but not too piano, because we're going to be in Italy for 6 months before we're going to get some action. You know, go...
Ramp it up, Gino.
All right.
I hear you. Ciao.
Keep smiling, keep smiling.
Hello.
All hello.
It's
All
going
under
well.
control?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I just want to get your handy with me. Can I steal him?
But we're flying ahead.
I don't want to
coming
hear.
between the
You can
prosciutto.
manage. You can manage. You always have to be with you, like glued at your arm.
Oh, we don't want to cut himself, do we?
How is he going?
Having a great time.
You get on? Obviously, I can see you get it on.
It's scary how much we have in common, weirdly.
Who's going to make the first move?
If you're feeling it, just go for it.
How we doing with this?
Yeah, good.
Yeah?
Too thin?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
And you, come here. Are you not checking each other when you do it?
He said he wanted to take over cutting today because I cut myself.
Well, not start to blame each other. You know,
You're
it's
turning
together.
each other against.
See, that's what I want to see. I
we're
want
a
to see
team.
love.
We're a
I don't want to
team.
see
We've got this. We're a team.
fighting.
Right.
Tricky bit.
Sorry. Oh my God, what were you doing behind me? I don't know. I was looking at your head, yo. You should have told me.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry, are you okay?
It's all right. It's all right. It's all right.
Sorry.
What's happened? You got yeah. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. The more scared you are, no. You're shaking.
Yeah, I know. I've never separated a cake with my hands.
Gentle. Don't worry about it. Have you got 30 seconds? Yeah. I just want to show you something. Okay. Can you finish off here?
Okay.
Please?
Yeah.
How's he going?
Going well. He's such a gentleman. I really like him, but I'm a little old-fashioned. You know, I'm waiting for him.
I think you and Kevin are perfect. What do I need to do?
I believe if it happens naturally, it'll be better.
How is he going?
Yeah, so basically Mark went full on meat straight away, which I thought was a bit selfish, Gino. And he just made this crappy minced meat.
But the aim is not to learn how to make a ravioli. But I thought the experiment was to find love.
Yeah, we'll see. I mean, you know, the day's young, and we've got a date tonight, so let's see how that works.
You could have been in a worse position. Think about Kevin. What did I tell you about using the back of
Back
my
of your
hands?
hand, for God's sake.
No, the other side. Are you in charge of
No, I'm
this or
sorry. I'm
what?
sorry. Continue.
Here, can I steal you for 2 minutes?
You can.
Let them get on with it. You guys okay?
Yeah.
How is he going?
Yeah, it's going well. My day started with Andy knocking on my door and waking me up with an espresso.
A true gentleman.
A true gentleman.
So you like him?
Yeah. But Matt's amazing too. He's making me laugh, so we'll see.
Well, my idea was cooking up love. not cooking up a disaster. The best pasta was definitely the boys. You did really well. And you know why you did well? Because you worked as a team, in harmony. We can do that, we can do yours. You guys haven't made enough ravioli for everybody, so now I'm gonna have to provide the food for tonight. Okay, everybody back. Kevin, please stay behind. Kevin, come here, man. So, what has gone wrong?
I couldn't hear myself think.
So, on this date tonight, what's your plan?
To put as much space between them as possible, so we can have a really long table.
I would not want to be in your shoes, I'm gonna be very honest with you. Your pasta was shit.
I know.
So I wish you the best of luck for the date. Make sure that the date goes better than your pasta, please.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
Whoa, yes, get that.
Right.
Kevin,
Cream,
got
hello.
a minute?
Yeah.
I just want to show you this. How's it going?
Okay.
2 days ago, it was all about Justina. Yesterday, you found out a side of Justina that you didn't like.
Yeah.
What is today?
I'm getting to know Alison better. I mean, looks-wise, appearance-wise, fantastic.
Yeah, but appearance is not
I
everything.
know.
Appearance is
And
going
this
to go eventually.
Yeah, this is it. And then you're only left with everything else. And that's what I'm trying to get to know.
Okay, but what is easy for me to say?
You okay, hun?
No! Fuck!
I think I'm needed. What's up?
You disappeared, right? That was going to be overcooking, so I had to take the salmon out because it was going to end up dying.